stock my mini fridge with me.
I am so excited to stock my fridge. Ready? Look at all the good things. But I want to know what I got. Yo, didn't I just say I wanted all of the Panda Express? All right, ready? I said I wanted the Philadelphia cream cheese too. You look first. What is it? A fruit tray. Yay. This one's long. Is this the Pizza Hut? Oh my gosh. Perfect pose. Okay. Okay. What is it? Oh gosh. It's a can. Oh, it's milk. I cheated. Okay, I felt this one, but I don't know what it is. It feels flat. What is it? Oh. Okay, let's go ahead and stock the fridge. Oh, look at my stocked up fridge. This is cute. Okay, if you guys enjoyed this, let me know. I'll post it more.